Today on Pinbusters, we're water marbling. I got an email from Bethany out in Cincinnati who'd like us to do some water marbling using nail polish and some water. Let's see if it works. So the point of this is to create a cool design. So we've taken some blank note cards and we have some nail polish and we have some water in a disposable dish because you're not going to want to keep this after you do this, and a toothpick. So we're going to take the nail polish first and we're going to create a design in the water. So, you know, a couple drops here and there. You can use as many colors as you want. See, some quality nail polish. All right, and then you take your toothpick and you can make some cool designs if it doesn't stick on your toothpick like that. And we might have to start all over again. Just make sure your water is warm, otherwise it'll just start to dry up your nail polish before you even start the swirling. You could use as many colors as you'd like. And take a toothpick and just kind of, yeah, it doesn't work, dude. I'm trying to do the swirl, but it's not really working. It's actually drying too fast, so it's creating this kind of like chunky nail polish thing. So I'm just gonna do the marbling without the swirls. Let's see if that works. So you place the card right in. And it should create a cool pattern. Look at that! And now you just have to let it dry. And then you have a cool design on your card. It really does look super cool, even though we weren't able to do any kind of swirling. So I don't know if it's the nail polish or if the water's just still not warm enough, but you guys can try it at home and let me know. So I'm gonna say that's Pinbusted. Yay! And that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. It looks pretty cool. I'd send it to my mama.